I love the diversity. I love going to meet people in their own homes and that they welcome you into their homes, and the diversity of the design. Each design I do is individual and tailored to the person, and I like to bring their personalities out in the design, and yeah, that's what I enjoy the most. Well, the urban folk trend that's out at the moment, I would say just take a few key pieces from maybe experiences that you've had, memories, a pot that you've collected, a photo, and maybe just using just a key element of each place that you've visited. Maybe taking a design and putting it on a piece of furniture or something, or a piece of wall art, and doing it like that in little key bits.